SNSD are back. Girls' Generation. The iconic, legendary, talented, beautiful Girls' Generation are back with Forever One. Well, everybody should just make a comeback. I think everyone should make a comeback. If this is gonna happen, that we're all just gonna come back together and release some singles, we should all, every group that has disbanded, they should come back and make a single because it's nostalgic and it would fill my heart with joy. Now, Girls' Generation, Forever One, MV, no time to waste. We're gonna get straight into this. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Am I ready? No. But I'm still gonna watch it. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, let's dance. Ooh. Chills already. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm fanboying like a mother. Are they on a cruise? Hey. Just like a love bomb. Number one. There's so much nostalgic feeling in this. You better slay, ma'am. Yes. Whew. Whew. Okay, let's go, Tim. They're kind of like showing like everybody's like what they've been doing, even though they're not together, but they're still Forever One. That's so wholesome. Yes, you better slay. All y'all. Oh, Sunny. Yeah, Hyoyeon's been DJing and having solos, obviously. Bruh, they look good. Like, good. They always have, but... What? What the hell? What the hell was that? A tentacle monster? That took me off guard. I'm so sorry. Is it just a single or is it like... Damn, girl. Damn, girl. I'm taking back. Ooh. Let's go. Damn, she's slaying. Ooh, I like that sound. Ooh. Hey, throwback. Oh, this reminds me of like, was it The Boys where everything just slowed down? Ooh. Hey. I love that effect. Girls' Generation, I miss them really. I mean, we got them right here. We are one. Ooh, I saw them nails. Ooh, okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Ah, that hit the feels, actually. Are they still in contract? I don't think so, right? Maybe for this single, they're still in contract. 7th album? Bitch. It's not just a single. Oh, hell yeah. Well, I'm about to go back in nostalgic lane. Y'all better stream this ish. Go check it out on Spotify, Apple Music, whatever you want. Do they have a physical album? I'm definitely gonna have to buy that too. Merch? Bruh. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Girls' Generation's Forever One. It really just brought back a lot of feelings just growing up watching them. Girls' Generation is always gonna have a special place in my heart. My friend Dylan. His channel on YouTube, he's an OG reactor as well. I think he's still doing reactions here and there, but he's like, to me, he's like the #1 fan. And then Soy. There's so many people I have to contact and watch this with. I'm sorry, I gotta end this right now. I just had a premonition or something like that. I don't know, is that the word that I'm supposed to say? I don't know. But put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, believe through. If you dream out there, I can't even talk, I just need to go. Anyways, bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.